Everybody, so I got a quick tool haul from Harbor Freight, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is just going to be a quick tool haul slash unboxing video from Harbor Freight. I picked up this container for, I think it was like $6. In all honesty, I think the Planos from Walmart are better, and I'll show you why. Alright, so this is a Plano from Walmart. It looks just like this one, exact same size, everything, but the 3700 series Plano that you get from Walmart is like $5.20 something. I think it's like $5.20, something like that. The hinges on this one are not as soft. On this one, they are kind of really chintzy hinges in my opinion. There's a lot of flex in this center strap before it actually locks down. And in all honesty, the one from Walmart is actually cheaper. This was, I think, $6.99 or $7.99. I don't remember. I don't have the receipt on me. But this one from the exact same style at Walmart. The only difference is this one, it's round and square in the corner, where this one's round. It kind of curves at like a octagon kind of angle, and then it curves at an octagon here, and then it goes straight octagon, then octagon. So they just changed the layout slightly. This one goes all the way down and seals, where the one from Harbor Freight does not go all the way down. It actually leaves about a 1/4 inch gap, and I don't like that. You can see that it's supposed to go further down, but it doesn't. I already filled the cheap Harbor Freight one with nuts and bolts, washers, stuff like that. But my personal opinion, don't pay the $6.99 or $5.99. I think it's $6.99, $7 for this container when you can get it for like $3.50 at Walmart, something like that. Same size container. And then I got the free magnetic tray, the 4-inch magnetic tray. We'll just cut this one open real quick. I went back the next day to get another one of these containers just for the magnetic tray. And then I'm like, oh, I'll just get the brushes, you know, the $1 or $2 brushes, because I didn't need I need another one of these containers. Figured I'd just go get another one from Walmart, and they didn't have any magnetic trays anymore. And the tray I just took out the box, it doesn't even say Pittsburgh in the center like the older ones. The older ones, like this one, they say Pittsburgh Automotive in the center, so that's kind of funny to me. But when I went back, they didn't have any of the trays, because I wanted to use the next day I wanted to use my free coupon for the trays, since they haven't done the free trays in well over a year. And they didn't have any, so I refused to buy anything, because I was trying to run to another store to get everything I wanted to buy, and the problem was that store had a bunch of trays, but I was about 15 minutes from making it there. So by the time I got there, I was 15 minutes late before they closed, and it was, you know, it was a bad day all around. But I got another little haul to do, and I'll show you guys that haul in the next video, and we'll just do that as an unboxing as well, because I did go back today and pick up everything, even though I didn't get a free tray. I did pick up the brushes and everything I needed, so stick around for that video. It's everything in this bag. So please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Yeah.